Every little thing you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line.
Loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Patricia here, back with another video. I need to stop this. Anyway, thank you so much for all my new subscribers. You are very welcome. If you're new here and it's your first time watching me, my name is Patricia. Welcome. Definitely make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a video. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did like this video. Today's video is 3 face masks that you can do at home. Right now we're on quarantine, lockdown, like we all know, and this is like perfect for you. It's the perfect time for you to look at your skin and take more care of your face. I've been doing that and my face has been thanking me very much for it. And the second 2 masks are literally my favorite, and I swear by those 2. If you don't have the equipment for the 3rd mask, I recommend you use the first one, which is also very cheap and affordable, and you might even already have it at home. So I'll recommend you use those 3 masks. Not all 3, never use all 3 together. You can use, for example, one week you use one of them and another week you use the moisturizer, or vice versa. So yeah, the first one and the last one is pretty much the same thing, so you can pick within one. My favorite one is definitely the last one, but I recommend all 3 of them, so definitely watch all 3 because you're gonna like them. And you probably have the equipment for number 1 and 2 at home. You must definitely have it. But yeah, so they're very cheap and affordable, guys. I do love all of them. They're very, very good for your skin, and again, they're very natural, and it's literally stuff that you have at home. You don't need to go out. You're not even allowed to go out anyway, so you don't need to go to the shop and actually buy them. Only one, you can order it on Amazon. I ordered the clay mask on Amazon and it came, and I've been using it for the past 3 weeks, and I absolutely love it. Like, it's so good. It's been doing amazing to my skin, so definitely use it. And yeah, anyway guys, just let's go into today's video. The first mask we're gonna make is turmeric mask. We'll be needing turmeric, lemon, a bowl and a spoon, and then we go ahead and add 2 spoons of lemon juice and then 1 spoon of turmeric, and then we just mix it all over until it's in a good paste and ready to be put on your face. I waited a little bit before applying the mask, so my mask has a little bit of bits from turmeric. Don't allow your mask to dry. As soon as you finish the mixture, make sure you apply straight into your face. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant which plays a big role in reducing excess productions of melanin. Lemon contains antibacterial properties, removes dead skin cells that can clog your pores. If you have marks on your face such as acne marks or anything like that, I recommend this mask for you, as they help to lighten dark spots, freckles, acne marks, and generally brighten skin tone. Once you have finished applying this mask, if you're using your hands, make sure you do have gloves, and then you can just leave it to dry for about 10-15 minutes. And once it's dry, that it does not come out to your hands, that means it's ready. You can wash your face. For the cocoa powder mask, we'll be needing cocoa powder, coconut oil and honey. I have now melted a spoon of coconut oil, and then I'm adding a spoon of honey and then a spoon of cocoa powder also, and then you just mix all the ingredients together until you get a liquidy form like this. Cocoa powder increases the elasticity of your skin, which helps with fine lines, wrinkles, and reduces the appearance of scars. Coconut oil reduces inflammation and also keeps your skin moisturized. Honey antioxidants, antiseptic and antibacterial properties allow it to help you fight acne by keeping your pores free of oily dirt while at the same time keeping it hydrated. Once you finish applying this mask, you can leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. It's a really good mask. It really hydrates your skin, so you can keep it for as long as you want. It doesn't fully dry, so you don't need to wait for it to dry. Once you think it's ready, you can literally just wash your face. And now we'll be making the Indian Healing Clay mask, which is my favorite one. We'll be needing Indian Healing Clay powder and apple cider vinegar. Okay, to make this mask, I didn't really measure anything. I just used my eye for it and I just go for it. Make sure you don't use nothing metal to make this mask. And then once you look something like this, that means it's ready. If you don't have Indian Healing Clay mask, I definitely recommend you buy one. I know it does the same effect as a turmeric mask. However, this one is 100% better in my opinion. One, it obviously doesn't give you it's less of a mess on making it. 2, Indian Healing Clay Mask is 100% natural. It helps to heal acne prone skin and eases the appearance of scars. It's definitely so good, guys. I used it the other day and this was like my period week where my skin is the worst, and literally a spot came through and I used this mask and literally the next day it was dried out. 2 days later it completely disappeared with no scars left. You should literally use this mask once a week, but I've been using twice a week just because I really needed it, but my skin is like so good now. I will just be using once a week. Once you have finished applying this mask, you can leave it for 10 to 15 minutes once it's completely dry. If you do have sensitive skin, I don't recommend you do it for longer than 10 minutes because it does push your skin, and if your skin is very sensitive you might have some redness afterwards. I don't, but if you do, it's just because it's literally putting your skin, but it will go a few minutes later. So yeah, guys, that was the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched all the way here, definitely make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. Definitely make sure you hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a video. And also don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did like this video. Don't forget to follow me on my socials, Instagram, Snapchat and TikTok. I'm always active on those, so just get a follow and come and talk with me. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I loved doing this video. It was actually really good and refreshing. I had amazing results. I do hope you guys have amazing results also. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.